Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix this issue. The error you can see on the screen when I trying to install the Windows 11 or 10 on my computer. It's saying that we couldn't find any drivers. To get storage driver, click on load drivers. So if you are facing this issue, so this video is for you. I will show you step by step how to easy troubleshoot and fix this issue. So first of all, I should tell you why you are facing this issue. So this issue occurs due to the rapid Intel technology driver is not installed on our Windows, and basically this issue occurs on Windows Intel 10th, 11th and above generation like 10th, 11th, 12th and 13 generations, and Intel rapid technology driver needs to install to fix this issue. So in order to fix this issue, you need to have another working computer. So once you have the working computer and inserted your pen drive into the computer, which is working fine, then we need to open the any browser whichever you use, and once you open that, you need to search here Intel Rapid Technology. You will land into the first link, and this one is for 10th and 11th generation. You need to check your CPU, okay, which generation you are using. If you are not sure, we will use both of them. Not to worry about that. I will show you how you can download both the Intel Rapid Technology driver if you are not sure with the Intel generation. But if you are sure, that well and good. This one is for 10th and 11th generation, and this link is for 12th and 13th. So I will give both the link into my description box directly, so that you can directly download these links. So once you landed into this link guys, you need to click on this option which says download setup rst.exe. You have to accept terms and conditions simply. Now once it is downloaded, you need to open the location where the setup.exe is installed. So basically we need to extract this, otherwise pen drive will not consider this exe. Now you need to insert your pen drive into this computer which is working fine, and we need to copy and paste the extracted folder from this computer to that USB pen drive. Now once you have inserted your pen drive, suppose that this is my pen drive USB, okay, the Windows setup should be here. So first I need to go to the setup.exe directory. So in order to extract this file, we need to open the PowerShell as admin. This one, PowerShell as admin. So once you open the PowerShell as admin guys, you need to go to this directory. So by default this is a different directory, so we need to type our cd, then give space. Now you need to paste this copy. Just we need to copy this directory so that we can directly land into that directory. CD downloads. Now we are inside the CD download. Now we need to call this exe to make it extract. So the command is dot /. Now name it setup rst, as this is the exe which are making extract. Now give space hyphen. Now type extract drivers as shown on the screen also command. Now we need to give space and make the folder rst for your, you can easily remember this, and now hit enter. Now you press enter key, the prompt should come up like this, and it will simply extract this setup.exe to this folder. Now we need to navigate to this folder, production, Windows 10 drivers, and basically VMD. So this is the directory which we needed, and we need to navigate into the pen drive. So I will show you also. Now you need to just right click on it, copy this, and you need to paste into your pen drive here simply. Once you have pasted it, okay, once you pasted it, simply you need to navigate through the same path. I will show you later on, but for those who are not sure about the the generation of that, so simply delete the previous one, we don't need that. And let's download this now if you are not sure the generation of your laptop. So this is exe now. Simply open the command prompt as same. Okay, same, and now press the enter up arrow key and type here. This time you need to type the different folder so that you can recognize it. 10th. Okay, I have given the name 10 to 11 generation RST if you are not sure. Now you need to press enter key simply. Now the folder is created here. Simply the same directory will be created, but this is for different generation if you don't have the knowledge. And simply you need to copy this folder as well into your directory, but only you need to do this if you don't know your laptop generation. Okay, this one is for 10 to 11 generation, and this one is for 12th and 13th generation, as you can see here, and this one is for 12th to 13th. So now you need to extract your pen drive from here. Just you need to extract from here, or directly you can remove it. Now once you removed it, guys, and you need to plug in your USB into the affected system where you are getting the issue. You need to get the windows where you will see the error. Now once you see the error, you need to click on load drivers, then click on browse, and once you click on browse, locate your USB. It might be confusing, for that just click on RST folder which we have created, then production, Windows 10 and 1506 drivers, and VMD you can see here. Click on VMD and click on OK only. Now automatically it is selected the first one, then click on next. True drivers are showing up here, you can see here on the top. If the first one is not selected, you can manually select that, and after that your issue will be resolved, as you can see here, and you are good to go. You can install the Windows on it. So I hope, guys, this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.